going to show you how to install the 180 lumen tactical flashlight on a 12 gauge shotgun. So you can see right here we have a Mossberg 500. When you get this, basically get the bracket, as you can see right here, and then you get the flashlight itself. This flashlight comes with two modes on them. So you basically get the regular mode, and then you get the strobe. As you can see right there. Pretty easy to install, so you just basically need a tool for the Allen screws inside. As you can see right here. First thing you want to do is you want to put the flashlight in. As soon as you have it, what you want to do is just tighten it all the way. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now once you have that done, what you want to do is you want to take all four out, the top ones. Just take them all the way out. You're not even gonna have to disassemble the shotgun itself. Now this flashlight is only for 12 gauge. Don't forget that. Once you have that, little plate is gonna come off. Put that to the side. You get your shotgun. Basically just get the plate, you slide it through. Now once you have that, you want to get the flashlight, and then you start putting in the screws. You don't want to tighten them all the way down until you have all four in. So for now, just make sure they thread in. There you go. Once you have all four, what you want to do is you want to slide it all the way to the front and then line it up according to what you like. Now once you have it lined up, then you want to go in and just tighten it all the way in. There you go. Okay. Alright, make sure it's nice and tight, as you can see right there. Just slide, perfect setting. Then you go. As you can see right here, with your finger, you could even press it with your finger. And there you go.